If you want to add clean, clickable drop-down sections to your Squarespace website, accordion blocks are one of the easiest tools to use. They're perfect for FAQs, service details, shipping information, policies, or any content you want to keep organized without overwhelming your page. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use accordion blocks in Squarespace 7. One step by step, so you can build a more polished and user-friendly site. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your website dashboard and go to the page where you want to add the accordion block. Once you're there, click Edit in the top left corner of your site preview. This opens the Fluid Engine grid, which is where you can arrange blocks on your page. Now, look for the section where you want your drop-downs to live. This could be a FAQ section near the bottom of the page, a services section, or even a product details area. Once you've found the right section, click Add Block in the top left corner. This opens the block menu where Squarespace gives you different content options to insert into your layout. From the block grid menu, select Accordion. As soon as you click it, Squarespace will place a default accordion block on your canvas. You'll usually see a 2-row placeholder dropdown already set up, which gives you a quick starting point to work from. Next, click on the new accordion block so it becomes active. Then, from the floating toolbar, click the pencil icon, which is the edit option. This opens the accordion settings so you can start customizing the content. Inside the editor, go to the Content tab. This is where all of your accordion items are managed. If you want to edit an existing row, simply click into that row and type your main title heading first. This is the visible question or label your visitors will click on. Then add the description body, which is the hidden answer text that appears when the accordion expands. Keep your headings short and clear, because these should be easy for visitors to scan. Then, use the body text to give the full answer, explanation, or detail. If you're making an FAQ section, this is where you would put the actual response to each question. If you're making a features section, this is where you can explain what each service or item includes. If you need more drop-downs, click the plus add item button at the bottom of the list. This creates a brand new accordion panel that you can customize right away. You can repeat this as many times as you need until your content is fully organized. And if you want to change the order of your accordion items, just click and hold the 6-dot handle next to any row item. Then drag it up or down to rearrange the sequence. This is super useful if you want your most important questions at the top or if you want to group similar topics together. Once you've added your items, written your text, and arranged everything in the right order, take a moment to preview the section on your page. Make sure the headings are easy to read and the answers display properly when clicked. A well-structured accordion block can make your Squarespace page look much cleaner and help visitors find information faster. So that's how to use accordion blocks in Squarespace 7.1. It's a simple way to add expandable content, improve page organization, and make your site feel more professional. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.